And welcome back, continuing the news. In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, the story of an inventor who went viral for creating his own means of transport. Kian Morgan has that story.
From afar, it looks like a motorbike, but it's a bicycle powered by a weed whacker's engine. It's the pride and joy of this self-taught auto mechanic who says his purpose on earth is to invent the unusual.
It's like they're like a thought in me that I should put an engine on this bicycle, something that will power this bicycle that doesn't require the pedaling.
Rupert Gray, or Roy as his neighbors call him, says the idea came about a few years ago in a dream. This, his second invention, was built 4 months ago.
I just go down to the welder and let the welder know I'm going to put an engine on a bicycle today. So I tell him what I really want to weld up and him weld up it.
And to get from point A to point B, all Roy needs is a full tank of gas and one pull of a string.
I do a mobile thing, I ride around and fix engine, right? So I go everywhere, so it take me all around, K Valley, all around, Brownstone.
Roy is excited his dreams actually materialized. Why? Because there were many doubts.
People always try to like discourage me, telling me that I am building foolishness and it's not going to work. So all of them thoughts, they keep slowing me down. So it's like I have to go through all of that. So when we realize that, all right, me really accomplished inventing something that I really wanted, I have to feel happy.
Roy's joy is shared by many community members of Green Hill St. Anne who are enthralled by his invention.
To see this youth build him own tie this way, I mean, wow, the world have to see it.
You would hear a thing, nobody tell you nothing, because you would hear a thing, I see it. So, in continue and follow and listen to me and see when I reach now, I'm a proud of him.
Roy says this is just the beginning.
I want to invent a device that recycle energy, so it never goes out. If I finish that device and it work, I can be able to build bicycles, electric cars, and all of that we don't need to be charged.
He says he will continue to press on, and so should other dreamers.
You have to just do believe so you can do it, and then believe in a God, so God will help you do it, and then you're going to see how God surprise you.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.